Welcome back to our channel. Prepare to embark on a journey of motivation, inspiration, and personal growth. If you're ready to unlock your full potential and achieve greatness, you've come to the right place. Today, I stand before you to ignite the fire within your souls, to awaken the spirit of motivation that lies dormant in each one of you. I want you to believe in the power that resides within you and recognize that you have the ability to achieve greatness. It is time to embrace your potential and step boldly into the realm of possibility. Life is an extraordinary journey filled with twists and turns, triumphs and setbacks. It is during the most challenging times that our true character is revealed. In the face of adversity, we have a choice: to succumb to despair or to rise above and conquer our obstacles. Let me remind you that failure is not the end, but merely a stepping stone on the path to success. Every setback, every stumble is an opportunity to learn and grow. It is through these experiences that we develop resilience, perseverance, and the strength to face any challenge that comes our way. Believe in your dreams, for they are the fuel that propels us forward. Dream big, aim high, and refuse to settle for mediocrity. Remember, the greatest achievements in history were once mere dreams in the minds of passionate individuals like yourself. But dreams alone are not enough. They must be accompanied by unwavering commitment and hard work. Success does not come easily. It is earned through relentless dedication and a willingness to push beyond your limits. Embrace the discomfort that accompanies growth, for it is in those moments that you will truly discover your potential. Do not be discouraged by the naysayers and doubters who try to bring you down. Remember that their limitations are not a reflection of your capabilities. Surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire you, who believe in your vision and encourage you to chase your dreams relentlessly. In the pursuit of greatness, there will be moments of doubt and uncertainty. But it is precisely in these moments that you must hold steadfast to your belief in yourself. Trust your instincts. Listen to the voice within you that whispers, "You can do it." Embrace failure as a teacher, a guide, and a catalyst for growth. Never underestimate the power of perseverance. Look at the great figures in history, the visionaries, the innovators, the game changers. They faced countless rejections and failures, yet they never gave up. They pushed forward, undeterred by obstacles, and eventually they triumphed. So I implore you today, my friends, to rise above the ordinary and embrace your extraordinary potential. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve greatness. Dare to dream big, work hard, and persist in the face of adversity. Remember that success is not merely a destination, but a journey filled with growth, learning, and self-discovery. The road may be long, and the path may be challenging, but I have no doubt that you possess the courage, resilience, and determination to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. You are capable of greatness, and the world eagerly awaits the manifestation of your unique talents. Today, let us embark on this journey together, hand in hand, as we strive for excellence and make a lasting impact on the world. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and let your motivation be the catalyst that propels you to unimaginable heights. Remember that success is not measured by the absence of failures, but by the courage to rise each time we fall. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are opportunities in disguise. Embrace the uncertainty of the unknown, for within it lies the possibility of greatness. You have been given the gift of life, a canvas upon which you can paint your dreams. Do not hold back. Let your passion guide you. Let your determination lead you, and let your determination lead you, and let your unwavering belief in yourself carry you forward. Each day is a new beginning, a fresh chance to take a step closer to your goals. Seize the opportunities that come your way, and if they don't exist, create them. Be proactive, be fearless, and be relentless in your pursuit of success. Never forget that success is not solely defined by wealth or fame, but by the impact you make on others and the fulfillment you find in your own journey. It is the lives you touch, the hearts you inspire, and the positive change you bring to the world that truly matters. Today, I challenge you to unleash the untapped potential within you. Embrace your strengths, acknowledge your weaknesses, and take intentional steps towards self-improvement. Strive to become the best version of yourself, for that is the true essence of success. So, my friends, go forth with passion in your hearts, determination in your souls, and an unwavering belief in your abilities. Let nothing hold you back, for you are the architects of your destiny, the creators of your own success. May your journey be filled with courage, resilience, and boundless enthusiasm. May you achieve all that you aspire to and leave an indelible mark on the world. Believe in yourself, for you possess the power to move mountains and change lives. Thank you, and may your pursuit of greatness be filled with unwavering motivation and immeasurable success. Thank you so much for tuning into this inspiring video. I hope that you found motivation and encouragement to pursue your dreams and overcome any obstacles that come your way. Remember, success is within your reach, and it's up to you to make it happen. If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. By doing so, you'll help us reach more people and spread the message of empowerment and growth. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. We have plenty more motivational videos, practical tips, and inspiring stories coming your way. Stay motivated, keep pushing forward, and remember that you have the power to create the life you desire. Thank you for being a part of our community. And until next time, keep striving for greatness.